How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block and unblock a person in your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap onto the search icon and type in the name of the person that you would like to block. Once you have found them, tap on the share icon on your top right. And here you will see the option that says block. Tap onto it and tap onto block. Once you do so, this is how your friend will look like. And in case you would like to unblock them, here is how you can do it. You can either search their name, but in case you don't remember the username, then tap on the 3-bar icon on your top right and tap on settings and privacy. Here under account, tap on privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap on blocked accounts. At this page, you will see a list of all the people that you have blocked till now. In order to unblock them, tap on to unblock. Go back, refresh your page, and this is what it will look like. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.